If you're a business owner or digital marketer, you're going to want to check out this cool new tool here in the Meta Business Suite. It is the weekly plan section, a simple checklist that you can complete one by one and set yourself up for the week. Let's jump into it and have a quick look at what it involves. So here we are in the plan section of the Meta Business Suite, and you can see that there are 7 tasks that have been set up for us to complete this week. We have already completed 3 of them, and there are still 4 outstanding. So the biggest goal that the plan section has here is encouraging you to take some time out of your week to create content for the business that you are working in or the business that you're working on setting up. Now, the first one is just creating stories on Instagram. The second one is a story for Facebook, number 4. And then we've got 2 in the middle, publishing a post on Facebook and Instagram. 3 tasks which I have already completed so far this week is publishing at least 1 ad, looking at the insights section of the Meta Business Suite, and maintaining a response rate above 1%. Now, the reason why I think this has been set up is because a lot of people are often talking about how they don't have time to work on creating content for their own business. So Meta has obviously been very good at this and proactive and giving people a prompt. So as soon as they open their Meta Business Suite, they can look at their plan and look, it doesn't take very long to create a story on Instagram that you can also publish on Facebook as well. Likewise, for Facebook and Instagram, you can use the content planner section to create a post for both Facebook and Instagram. And guess what? You can even customize it for Instagram and Facebook in one area. So make sure you check out the weekly plan section in the Meta Business Suite. It's a cool little tool and it'll help you be able to share more content with your audience on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. If you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel and want ongoing Facebook and Instagram marketing tutorials and tips. We post new videos every single week. And if you have any questions about the content that was covered in today's video, you can always leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.